Okay, here we are, 371 Fitch Hill Road. This is a one-bedroom home with a one bath. It is a home that was built in 1953. It's 480 square feet. And this home is served with natural gas, baseboard hot water heat, and we've got septic and well, and we've got a 0.16 acre lot. Our parking is right here. The well, that is the abandoned dug well. We have a drilled well over here, and then the septic is in the right rear corner. Our street view, this is Fitch Hill Road in the Uncasville area of Montville. So let's take a peek at what the exterior of this house is, and then we'll go inside. We've got triple tab shingles on the roof. They're in the latter stages of their life, meaning the back third of their life. Nice concrete entry. Our yard, really nicely landscaped here. Through the family room window and the bedroom window, you'll be able to see the birds at the bird feeder. Really nicely landscaped here. This home has a crawl space, not a full basement. Our septic access is right here. There is an old shed on the property. The home is a home that was built utilizing cement block. So this Bilco access gives you access to the basement. Here's our yard. Great alternative to apartment living. And you get the single family home with natural gas as your heat. So let's go on inside and take a peek at what this home has to offer. The exterior has really nice finish in terms of vinyl maintenance free. Your windows are thermopane windows, and we've got a nice storm door here, but let's go on inside. Okay. Here's what we have. This home to my right when I first come in, this is our living area, and it is a nice bright spot in the morning. Morning sun comes in that window right there. We've got hardwood flooring through much of this area and the bedroom. Kitchen, really efficient. Dishwasher, electric range. Got a nice bright window which faces the road, and that would be to the south. We've got a nice little dinette area, microwave, fridge. This area right here, great for crafts or a micro office. We've got pull down stairs for some storage up in the attic. It's not a walk-up attic, it's just got limited headroom. Gives you access to anything that you need in the attic. And don't forget, the lower level below us is just a crawl space. So you've got about 3.5 feet down there. Here's the bedroom, one bedroom home. Very efficient, open in terms of the shelving here for your closet. You can see how this area works, okay? And then we have a full bath with a tub shower and stackable washer dryer. So right here, pedestal sink, tub shower's in great condition. This looks to the backyard. Here's my hookups for the washer dryer stackable. So that's it. 371 Fitch Hill Road. Definitely get your showing scheduled ASAP.